Hello, my name is John Errickson from Errickson Equipment, Stockton, New Jersey. Today I'm going to show you the setup, drilling, and teardown of a 2002 IMT80. It has 78-foot 3-element locking Kelly bar system mounted on a Cat 315 body. The lower drive has approximately 8 foot of crowd. The machine has 60,000 foot-pounds of torque, 850 hours on the drill rig itself. It's mounted on a low mileage 4 carrier with a C10 Caterpillar 335 horsepower. And as you can see in the picture, I am setting up the drill rig on 4 jacks and sliding the 315 body back using the lower hydraulics in the truck. At this point, I get in the top of the cab, totally separate from the truck, and raise the mast up. Position the top head in order to put the clips on to hold the top head guide on the rails. This takes it out of the travel position down the road. The travel position is just under 13 foot 6. In setup, you have to raise the tower up twice. When you tear down, you only have to lower the tower back down on rest and remove the guides, as you'll see in the picture at teardown. The Kelly bars in it are new, 3-element. There is no swivel or any hydraulic or electric lines going through the turntable in this machine, which makes it nice. My helper will put the clips on the top guide rails. Takes a few minutes, and then we'll raise the tower back up and put the bit on. I have this movie sped up 250%. The tour carrier also has a front wheel drive, which is nice. This rig is currently for sale in Stockton, New Jersey. We can deliver it to any port. Used bits are also available. I'll explain what we're doing here. This is the final tower raising, and then we're going to put a 36-inch bit on it. At this location, there is rock about 3 feet. It's 40,000 pound PSI rock, so it's not drillable with this machine unless you have a core barrel. IMT made 3 of these machines. The Kelly stub on the end is 130 millimeter, which fits any 130 millimeter box, of course, and also 5 1/4 boxes. This machine would be very easy to add an air Kelly bar and run it down the whole hammer with up to 36-inch bits. I plan on putting a lower rotary on this, and so it can also do dual rotary drilling. As I said, the picture is sped up 250%, so low gear is pretty low. It's approximately 20 RPM. On the right control handle, there's a rapid button. Took me a little bit to find out where it was, and then you'll see right there, fast spin off. It took me approximately 10 minutes or so to get used to the controls in this machine, and as you see, I get more fluent into controls. Has a level indicator in the cab that works. Heat in the cab, no air conditioning. Carrier drives down the road approximately 65 miles an hour. There you can see we're hitting rock. Remember, always before lifting the inner kelly bar, to reverse the lower drive in order to unlock the bars. Also, you can lower the mast in order to get a big bit underneath the lower tower. In any location here, we do hit hard rock 3 to 4 feet, and it is 40,000 psi rock. When you crowd with the lower drive, it automatically feeds cable out on the inner bar as to not knot the cable up at all. It works perfect. 1 lever to crowd and 1 lever to drill. Like I say, no letting the inner bar cable off while you're drilling. It's all automatic. Now we're taking the bit off. We're going to position the upper guide rail at the top in the ramp position. And then we lower the tower and remove the guide rail brackets. The lower drive must stay all the way at the bottom of the tower. And then you pick up on the inner kelly bar, as you'll see in the picture, in just a minute or so. And the top guide rail will slide down about 8 or 10 inches. This is only for bridge clearance. And we're going to slide it ahead. Actually take the brackets off. There we go. I'm 1 step ahead of myself. Slide the head up, it drops down. The top sheave assembly drops down for road clearance. And you're ready to travel down the road. Any questions? You can always find us at erricksonequipment.com. And my other website, I own a drilling company, precisiondrill.com. We drill holes up to 14-foot diameter. And Errickson Equipment also, we build dual rotaries. Thank you for watching.